cadets' pay is totally out of sync with other pay within the Defence Forces. Cadets, in fact, are paid well below the minimum wage. But that isn't the issue I'm really trying to address here. It's the fact that we highlighted this 2 years ago when the very welcome announcement came regarding enlisted personnel's pay, that it had gone to €42,000 post-training, post 6 month service as 2 to 3 star soldiers. We realised at that stage that cadets had been left behind. We passed a motion which led also to a business case by military management, which confirmed and recommended that cadets, after 6 months pay, or 6 months service, should have pay parity with 3 star enlisted soldiers, in that they should go from their current wage of €25,000 to €42,000 a year per annum. Now, bearing in mind that cadet induction ages has increased to 39, you have people now with family responsibilities that are expected to survive on €25,000 per year, with a small increase after 12 months for an 18-month training duration. This is why RACO has made, I suppose, now will recommend to prospective cadets going forward that they should enlist first as recruits, complete their 2 to 3 star training, and then apply for cadetship, because upon success